Good evening, everybody. Getting ready to getting ready to rinse out some tie-dyes. Rinsing out some t-shirts. We've got a multicolor spiral here. That's gonna be our first one. What you think about that?
I think it looks good so far.
These are the colors that are included in our new 6-color tie-dye kit. Very common colors though. It's Chinese red, lemon yellow, sky blue, custom green, deep purple, and deep orange. Definitely gonna make an interesting combination.
Like this red is being a little stubborn, so I'm going to pay it extra attention.
Yeah, I don't know if it had some thickener in it or something, but it was definitely a little on the thicker side. I noticed that when we were dyeing them. Really good and rinsed.
Yeah, I think this
Alrighty. To the inside.
okay.
Yep, on the inside, swapped over to the hot water. Rinsing this puppy on out. Getting it de-banded. Ooh,
Sorry.
you're fine. That's the only, make sure you wear your safety goggles when tie-dyeing people. Ooh. Nike. I ain't seen anything yet, but it's looking promising there, people. Let's see what we got.
Ooh.
Okay. Pull it out a little bit. Pull it out. Yeah. Oh my God. Let me see the back of that. Wow. With the blue on the top too. Oh man. That came out really, really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I was worried about the purple. I thought it might be a little bit too dark, but it looks like it goes very well with the rest of the color scheme.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Hey, if y'all want to do this at home, hit us up. Etsy.com. Vivid Prisms Tie-Dye. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow, that came out really, really good. This is our 6-color using sky blue, our custom green, lemon yellow, deep orange, Chinese red, and deep purple. And it came out really, really, really good. She has gotten quite proficient at making these spirals, I would say. Yeah, but let us know what you think in the comments below. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.